Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a calculated field in Microsoft Access. This feature allows you to perform automatic calculations based on other fields in your table, which can save you tons of time and keep your data consistent. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin setting up your calculated field. First, open an initial database table where you want to add the calculated field. Once the table is open, click on the Home tab located on the top part of your screen where all your tools are located. From here, locate the View dropdown and click on it. From the options that appear, click on Design View. This view gives you full control over your table structure and field properties, which is exactly what we need for adding calculations. From the design view, you'll see all the fields you currently have under your database listed out in rows. Now, to add a calculated field, look at the data type dropdown next to where you want to create your new field and click on it. From the list of data types that appears, select Calculated. This opens up an expression builder window where the magic happens. In this expression builder window, you can add the calculation you want to perform. Simply type in the expression you wish to calculate, referencing the fields from your table that you want to include in the formula. For example, if you wanted to multiply two fields together or add them up, you'd type those field names into the expression using the proper syntax. Once you've entered your calculation formula, click on OK to confirm it. And that's it. You've successfully added a calculated field to your Microsoft Access table. This field will now automatically compute values based on the expression you defined, updating whenever the source fields change. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.